this has never happened before. We've literally woken up an hour before the flight, and we may actually lose a flight to Turkey.
We will, I'm pretty sure.
We made it to the airport, now we run in.
They literally made us take out every single thing. Where I came from, so New Delhi. It's so annoying, man. Yeah.
The activities there.
Today we're traveling from London to Nepal, and it's going to take 72 hours.
In today's journey, we almost missed our flight. We almost had some of our belongings confiscated, and I almost couldn't get into Nepal. So if you are looking to travel into Nepal, this video will be very helpful for you. Let's get into the video. First thing we're doing is wrapping our bags in cling film. I'm traveling light today.
Well, I'm looking forward to hearing all the adventures. There will be challenges, and I can't wait to hug you when you come back.
Os enviamos todo nuestro amor y cariño para cumplir el sueño de vuestra vida.
Estamos con ustedes y tenéis todo nuestro apoyo. ¡Os
queremos!
We then went to the lounge to have dinner before catching the flight.
This lounge is actually not that bad. This looks so good.
Prosecco is like an extra £6, but he was like, oh, whatever, like I'm not supposed to do it. I'll just do it, don't tell anyone.
Our gate number has been released. We're now going to the gate and first flight to Dublin. Let's go.
Go, go, go. Literally 5 minutes into the flight and Max is already asleep. I'm so tired. Max just woke up and I told him, you know that we are landing, right? He thought that we just took off. This was the quickest flight we've ever been on.
And now we're going to put them on and go to our hotel for the night, because tomorrow at 10 a.m. we've got another flight.
Like one of the journey complete.
We are now walking to the hotel, which is only a 10-minute walk from the airport.
Actually, if you want to see a tour of the hotel, make sure you stay tuned to the channel and subscribe, because we'll be uploading a separate video.
Oh my god, this has never happened before. We've literally woken up an hour before the flight. So now we're sprinting, trying to check in the big backpacks. And we may actually lose a flight to Turkey.
We will, I'm pretty sure. I'm so sad. It's just, we were so knackered from the travel. Oh.
Thank you very much. Have a good day. We made it to the airport. Now we run in.
I'm gonna cry.
What did you say?
Like to check in here. So apparently we are on standby and she's gonna try and get us a seat on the plane.
We managed to get seats for our flight. However, the lady said that we only had 10 minutes to get to the gate. Oh, okay. Look at the queue. It's still massive.
guys sitting together. Or at least that's what we thought until the guy next to Max traded seats with us. This plane had little TVs, which they were even showing Dune 2, but Max just couldn't stay awake, so he didn't watch it. We're in Turkey, baby! What do you have to say?
Huh?
This airport is humongous, and I think it's probably like one of the prettiest ones we've ever seen. I love it. It's crazy.
Okay, we've just got to our next gate. It's one flight after another, and this one's going to take us to New Delhi. We did get some Mackies to kind of like re-energize.
Max got himself a double Big Mac. Never seen that before, but...
It's meant to have 2 meats, well, 4 meats. Not bad.
And I got these cool fries, but like they're just really stale. It's not what I expected. I thought they were going to be really crispy. People keep confusing me.
This is probably one of the biggest planes I've ever been in. I'm excited. I'm very excited.
You know, we're 22. This is 53. Oh, sorry.
It's 5 a.m. and we are about to land in New Delhi. That was probably one of the most thorough security checks we've ever gone through.
They literally made us take out every single thing.
And the trays were tiny, so we ended up using about 10 trays. And it was very scary because if we had the drone with us in these backpacks, they would have confiscated the drones, but luckily we put them in the check-in bag. So make sure you do that if you come to New Delhi. Anyways, very shortly we have the last flight to Kathmandu. Let's go. Something very interesting of this airport is that you had to scan your passport to get access to the Wi-Fi.
Where I came from, so New Delhi, and then... Sorry? That's so annoying, man. He was like telling me, oh, well, next time you do the visa, they put that your passport is British, but your nationality is Portuguese, so you need to put Portuguese. And I was like, yeah, I get that, but if I put Portuguese, it told me I needed a Portugal address, a Portuguese phone number, which I do not have. So what do you want me to do? So I put United Kingdom, and then it let me put my UK information.
Yes,
And it is like
Hope you guys have enjoyed a super long journey.
Nepal is going to be epic, so make sure you subscribe and stay tuned to our adventures.
See you on Sunday.